Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to mine Wcoin. Wcoin is a DeFi game app that allows you to earn as many coins as possible just by tapping. Then you can in turn stake these mined coins to increase your earnings. Their staking feature, it's mind-blowing. These mined coins will be converted to real digital assets at launch. Wcoin, it's a decentralized application that is based on a unique model where the community gets to decide which of the blockchain the token will be listed. The considerations are Ton, Solana and Ethereum. So guys, before we get started, if you find our video tutorials useful and helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. I will be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, quickly, let's dive into the video. Now, to get started on Wcoin, you will be needing a referral link, and I will be getting a link from a friend. You click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram. You click on play. Here you go. This is the beautiful interface of the Wcoin. Now you can type on this icon at the middle. Now you can navigate your way around this app by utilizing these icons below. Okay, this icon, the mates, gives you access to your referral link where you can send your link to your friends to join you in this mining, and you will be able to earn more rewards. You can also utilize the tax icon. The tax icon allows you to carry out some tasks by following their social media handles and completing some special tasks to earn additional rewards. Also, this is the boost icon. The boost icon allows you to increase your mining speed, your mining capacity, and your mining per tap. Also, you have access to 3 free daily boosters: the lucky dice and the full battery. The lucky dice, when you click on it, it randomly displays some number, and that's the amount you will be getting at that session. And when you use the full battery icon, it gives you full capacity to tap on, and you'll be getting more rewards, additional bonuses. The most beautiful feature here, the staking icon. The staking icon allows you to stake your mined coin. As you can see, I have 3 sessions running. So once the countdown is complete, you automatically claim the staked coin and the reward that has been accrued to it. This is beautiful. I feel it's a great opportunity, and if you are interested, you can quickly dive in. So guys, this is all for this video. If you find this video useful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Kindly hit the subscribe button to join this growing community. Do well, turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a new video drops. And I will be seeing you in our next video. Thank you for watching.